The 10 question challenge. I got picked. And of course, I'm going to pick 5 people at the end. You better watch out. I do not like getting picked. I'm like, no. So what we got? RV Rebel Girl, which is Carolyn. She answered the 10 question challenge and she called me out as one of the 5. Okay? And from her, it was Frugal RV Gal that tagged her. It was Lola Lost on Land Again that tagged her, and it was Eric Nomadic Fanatic that tagged her. Anyway, so it's trickled down to Pop. And the 5 I pick, actually, if you don't want to see all this, at least go to the end or in the description and check out these channels, because I'll tell you after I answer all 10 why I picked these 5. It's important in today's time. Seriously. Alright, I'll leave all their links down below that I just mentioned. I was camping with them at Lollapalooza back in October 2019, all of them. Eric and I, man, we got over there. He got picked to be my partner. Sorry, Eric. No. And we played cornhole. We won all the games on that one day against everybody else. That was awesome. Eric's a pretty cool dude. All of them are. RV Rebel Girl, she was my next door neighbor while we were camping out there. And Lola, she's the one that put it on. Frugal was there. All right, let's get on with the 10 questions. Hey, hope y'all doing great today, by the way. I just got done weed eating and checking the garden. Yeah. Have you planted your garden yet? Yada. All right, 10 questions. First one, how many rolls of toilet paper do you have? I walked around, and when I got over 100 rolls, I stopped. That does not get, I'm missing a bunch, so it's way over 100, okay? But that's kind of normal. Number 2, what has been your biggest change since lockdown? Let's see what it says. Biggest change. We're still going to work, so biggest change would be, I'll just pick one real quick. Not being able to just kind of like go out to a restaurant when we feel like going out to one, and we love sitting outdoors. We love the outdoors. This is the weather to be outdoors and just kind of visit with friends and stuff, meet up at restaurants and hang out. We're not seeing anybody right now. Number 3, what are you most grateful for? I'm grateful for a lot of things, but I'm gonna tell you this right now. I'm grateful that we're prepared. We were prepared for this. We did not have to run to the store like all the chaotic people did. And I went up there just because I wanted to see, oh no, what is it? We needed an onion or something. Just, that's it. I went in and I freaked out. The line was to the back of the store. People with their buggies full of food. You don't do that, people. We'll get to that in a minute about what I'm trying to say. Number 4, what have you gone without lately? The grandkids. Yeah, Phil and Florence. Maddie and I are going to do a taste test with your hot sauce. She ain't here. That sauce is just sitting in there. She hasn't been able to cook with me, garden with me. I had to do all the seeding by myself, to the point that she's got her mama making a garden in the backyard because she still wants a garden because it's garden time. That is awesome. I'll tell you that right now. Maddie will be back soon. Don't worry. When everybody kind of clears up here. 5. What are you most grateful for? That was the same question as number 3, Carolyn. You might have screwed up. Number 6, what are you missing the most? Did we do that one? It's kind of weird being around other people. Man, when I do go to the post office or to the store or something like that, you open the door up for somebody and you're way over here and they're way over here and everybody wearing these masks, and Everybody's staying away from each other, which I appreciate that, but it's a weird feeling. And in these stores that if you go in, I had to go to Home Depot, you know, and you can only go in once somebody comes out, and there's only so many people in there, and it's still a weird feeling. It's a weird feeling being out there. Number 7, when was the last time you were at a campsite? That'd be back at Lollapalooza. October 2019 is the last time I think I went camping. Of course, I sleep out in the trailer a lot. Does that count? With the beautiful weather, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? All right, number 8, what is your favorite quarantine food? I don't know. I mean, but you know what? Starting last week, Tex-Mex. We love Tex-Mex. We make great Tex-Mex, but El Phoenix, you know, every once in a while you say, I need El Phoenix. I need El Phoenix, you know, and on Wednesdays they have a special, $5.99 enchilada dinner, whichever kind of enchilada you want. We went last weekend. I went last Wednesday and got it, and everybody's standing away from each other, and you stay outside, you're not allowed inside and stuff like that. I'm gonna go tomorrow and get it again and surprise Gigi, because she said she wanted chicken enchiladas with sour cream, and guess who forgot to say sour cream? Yeah, Papa did. So I'm gonna surprise her tomorrow, and I'm gonna get her chicken enchiladas with sour cream. Oh, and then that fire roasted queso with the chips and the salsa. Oh man, Papa gets beef enchilada dinners. You knew I'd get beef, didn't you? All right, let's move on. I think we're on 9. How are you exercising, working out? One thing, I have a business partner. We're going to work every day, and we have all employees stay home. So we're doing all the work, but between work, which we go to work every day, between work, gardening, mowing, working around the yard and stuff like that, that's my exercise. That's it. I don't exercise. All right, who are you choosing to challenge? Pick 5 channels. And then there's a bonus question. You know what, let's go with the bonus question. The bonus question is, what has been or will be your pandemic panic purchase? Don't have one. But I'm being prepared. The one thing that I lacked was enough hand sanitizer. That's the one thing I lacked. And so I learned from this, and so we're gonna have gallons of it, and we'll stay prepared that way. And we float through the items. You know, you get you all this canned food, you get it in there, and then when you buy more if you need, you know, I'm buying some beans, buy it, put it in the back of the line, pull the one from the front, eat it, and it rotates out, and you got your supply. We could have easily 2-3 months, probably longer than that, eaten without going to the grocery store, and we would have had everything. But the hand sanitizer, one thing popping. So here's what I'm gonna do. Me, my business partner, and our work, what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy a couple, three, him one, me one, and one at work. We're gonna buy the touchless hand sanitizers. That's right. And we're gonna put one at the door at work. I'm gonna put one at the door here coming in from the garage, and he puts his wherever he wants. It'll be mounted on the wall. Come in the door, hit that, and I'm getting foam, not the liquid, foam, and liquid it up or foam it up. And that's what I'll be doing. Another thing, the reason that we're called essential is services for healthcare, oil and gas, and insurance. So they still need services from us, so that's why we're still going in. And yes, we do end up going to the hospitals and medical facilities and things like that, and we're having to wear masks and all that kind of stuff. That's right. Okay, the 5 people. I told you I'm picking 5 people. You do not have to do this if you do not want to, but it's kind of cool. All right, so The 10 question challenge. I'm picking 5 people, and I'm picking them for a reason, because I think it'd be good for you with the new normal. It'll never go back to the old normal. It's a new normal. And with this new normal, these are channels that you subscribe to and watch and learn from. Talking about homesteading, from gardening, prepping, anything like that. And you know, just check these channels out. I will leave their links down below. All right, we're gonna start off with going to Mississippi. And that'd be Dan over there, home in the sticks. All right, and then we're going over here in West Texas. That'd be Rob Painless. And then we're gonna go all the way to California to Justin and Jana, and that's Survival Mindset. And then we're gonna go to Barb, the old farmer's wife, and she was camping at Lollapalooza too. Last couple of years, all these people were the last couple of years. She's awesome. She brought 100 eggs from her property all the way here so that Papa could cook breakfast with help for everybody. We had over 100 people at that breakfast. Yes, we did. 100 eggs from her chickens. All right, she's in Kansas. And I'm gonna throw this one in there just because it's different, but he's got good videos. And you'd have to watch his videos to understand, but you learn from him. You learn. His name's Chris. It's Carolina Chris Outdoors. All right, that's my 5. And like I said, you know, a lot of these are the RV world people and stuff like that, nomadics driving around the United States and everything else. And it's real cool meeting up with them and camping out with them, cooking with them, and just hanging out by the fire. They're awesome people. They got great channels. They'll all be mentioned down below. You can check each one of them out. These 5, in today's world, you should really like. All right. Well, I hope they do the challenge. If they don't, they don't, you know. I appreciate it. Y'all stay safe. Stay blessed. Yes, Papa. Papa, Texas. The Big W made me both those. Red Alerts Crafts made me that one. I got a bunch more stuff people have made me and sent me, and I appreciate it. All right, Big W Adventures. His link's always down below. Route 66 Adventures over there in Arizona. All right, y'all have a blessed day, blessed week. Stay healthy, stay strong. Keep it. I don't know what to say. It's Papa. Hit that bell, keep up with Papa Texas. Yeah. See ya. That's a wrap, Papa. Yeah.